demonstration will be a useful visual aid to give you a basic understanding of the folding of the flat trilaminar embryo into a cylindrical embryo. In this sagittal section, you can see the ectoderm in blue, the mesoderm in orange, and the endoderm in yellow, with the notochord in the middle here. Now imagine this blue sheet is the top layer, the ectoderm. Involution of the ectoderm forms the neural groove in the middle and the neural folds. This will continue until the neural tube is formed. This will eventually separate and the top layer here will become the epidermis, whilst the neural tube here will eventually form the brain, brainstem and spinal cord. The notochord next signals the mesoderm to further differentiate into a variety of structures. We see here in pink the somatic mesoderm, which will form the somites. In orange we see the intermediate mesoderm, soon to form the gonads and the kidneys, and in red we see the lateral plate mesoderm. We next see spaces appear between the lateral plate mesoderm, known as the intraembryonic coelom. The bottom layer is now known as the visceral lateral plate mesoderm, which will now fold down to form the gut tube and its connective tissue and muscles, which we can see in this slide here. The gut tube is now connected to the body wall by the mesentery. Meanwhile, the somatic lateral plate mesoderm is rapidly growing and also folds. We now see the intraembryonic coelom, which will make up the anterior thoracic cage, abdominal wall and pelvic cavity. The only thing our model hasn't shown is the amniotic cavity, which has also grown and folded and enveloped the embryo. The lateral folding forms the yolk stalk from which the umbilical cord forms.